be reacting to a video called the Kerala tourism video. Several of you guys have suggested that I watch this and react to this. Just to name a few, Sanjeev Atri and A Billion Dreams. Thank you guys for the suggestion. So Kerala, I looked into that. It's a state in the southwestern Malabar coast of India. And I can see that Kerala was formed on November 1st, 1956 by the States Reorganization Act. And I remember that that was the same act that founded Karnataka. So I need to dive into what that States Reorganization Act is. And the forming of Kerala was done by combining all the